Alright, so I'm getting ready to sharpen a couple knives. This is the final stone I use, or I've been using. It's I believe a 3,000 to 4,000 grit water stone. I don't remember the name of it exactly at the moment. If I can think of it, I'll put it down in the description. It's a decent stone, does a nice job. This isn't the final edge. I also strop the blade before shipping the knife out. So, but this stone itself does a really nice job. It just, stropping will get rid of the final burr on the knife, give it a nice smooth edge. But this one does a great job as well. This one has a little dip in it. I could flatten it, but I'm going to just go with the flow here and use it the way it is. But first I'm going to prep the stone a little bit of water and Nagura stone. Just getting all the little impurities out, and this little slurry up here on top of the stone. Probably can't see it. That'll help with sharpening. So I'll get the knife here that I'm gonna. It's one of my classic fish and game knives. This one has a longer blade than I normally make. It's a nice nice piece. Got the textured curly maple pickled grip. And this blade itself here, you can see, stops, the cutting edge stops right about here, right before that handle. And this grip itself, it's nice because it gives a nice stop to the hand as well. A little bit flatter, I guess, this one. Rounded edges, not harsh on the hand at all, but I'm just going to show you, just to get right to this area here. I'm going to kind of go back and forth there at that point of the blade first to get a little bit of a polishing or cleaning to the cutting edge in that area first, and then just start sharpening. Now maybe if you're getting into hand sharpening, or you want to learn how to sharpen knives, this isn't really a how-to, but by watching some of these sharpening videos I post up on YouTube, maybe it'll help you. And I'm just following the bevel that's previously made on the coarser stone. The angle of that. The exact angle, I don't have an exact science to this, but I can tell you it's probably about 20. I've been sharpening knives by eye and by feel for over 20 years, so that's how I sharpen, and they come out razor sharp. You can see it. Hopefully you can see that on there. It's got a nice, really nice polished edge at this point. I'm going to go a little bit more on this stone here before it goes into, and I strop it. And I'm going to clean this up a little bit more. It's probably fine, but I'm going to clean it up a little bit more, even though I'm not done. Just a little bit of water, spray bottle. Get that Nagura stone. A little bit more water. And I'm gonna do a couple of these really slow so you can see a couple passes really slow. Maybe you can see by watching When I get to the very tip, I'm kind of lifting the blade a little bit. I have some older videos up on YouTube that show sharpening, basically the same kind of technique with different stones. They might be 10, 12 years old, but the method is very similar. So I think I'm pretty happy with that edge there. Right before I strop it. This one here, a Heritage Fish and Game Knife Companion, that'll be the next one I sharpen. Same thing on this blade. You see where the edge stops right here at the finger rest area. So I'm gonna kind of give that a little more attention on the stone. Just by going back and forth here, following that angle. And then go into single passes. Same thing at the tip, just lifting up a little bit when you get to the tip area. It's looking pretty good. I also test each one of these after they're stropped on paper. It's just to see how the blade's cutting and see how smoothly it cuts through paper. So that's it. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.